Sesimbra Beach in Portugal is a great destination for those who are passionate about the sea and wildlife. Located south of Lisbon, Sesimbra is a small town located on a picturesque beach, with endless green mountains embracing the beach. Sesimbra Beach is famous for its smooth white sand and clear blue seawater, creating a majestic and enchanting picture. Sesimbra Beach is located in the south of Portugal, on the country's Costa Azul, blue coast. Sesimbra belongs to the county of Setúbal, one of Portugal's most famous spots for its natural beauty and rich cultural heritage. With this ideal location, Sesimbra has a large door facing the Atlantic Ocean, creating conditions for the formation of beautiful beaches and clear blue seawater. Sesimbra Beach is not only a marine paradise but also a typical example of the climatic environment and human interaction with it. With its mild, humid Mediterranean climate, Sesimbra is regularly blessed with sunshine and fresh air, creating ideal conditions for the growth of biological and cultural life. Sesimbra is not only a great place to enjoy white sand and clear blue seawater, but also an attractive destination with rich animal biodiversity and coral reefs. Under the clear waters of the Atlantic Ocean, you can explore the magical world of marine animals, from crocodiles, seahorses, to shrimp, oysters, and many other fish species. On Sesimbra Beach, the beauty of the girls is defined by the bright sunlight and shiny brown skin from exposure to the sea. The girls here shine with their seductive looks and sexy physiques, making the beach even more brilliant in the golden sunlight. Looking at hot girls on Sesimbra Beach is not only an experience of beauty but also a way to enjoy the natural beauty and vibrancy of coastal life. Sesimbra Beach has played an important role in promoting Portugal's tourism industry, contributing to the country's economic and cultural development. The attraction of Sesimbra is not only the natural beauty of the beach and marine entertainment, but also the immersion in local culture and typical culinary experiences. However, tourism development also poses a number of challenges, including issues of environmental protection, sustainable tourism management and preserving local culture. Strengthening tourism infrastructure is also an important factor to ensure that Sesimbra can continue to welcome visitors safely and comfortably. Join us to explore enchanting adventures on the Wandering Channel. Here, you will experience the wonderful beauty of nature, discover unique destinations and receive useful tips for your trip. Click the subscribe button now to not miss any new videos and become part of the Wandering Travel community. Thank you for your support and wish you great experiences on your upcoming trips.